My name's Rob and I had a 6.6 kilowatt system installed by Smart Energy and saved over $500 on my first bill. So we thought our 800 and we thought, well, that's just because there's only the two of us here. We're a little bit frugal, although I work from home, but the price just kept going up and up and up. And in the end, I got jack of that. I'd be an idiot if I didn't look into this. My motivation really was purely financial. Well, we nearly fell off the chair. The first bill that came in was $214. The quality of the gear that they use is fantastic. I'm just annoyed with myself that I didn't jump into it earlier. If the house had stayed non-solar, God knows where those energy, we might have been forced out of the house purely because we couldn't pay the electricity bill. In the end, I thought, we just got to do this.